Now, here we're going to have to form a proportion to figure out the angle AOC. What we should recognize is that they are giving us an area of a sector. So this sector is 12 pi units. And when we form our proportion, it's always going to be part over whole equals part over whole. What we want to know is the part for the angle. We don't know what the central angle is that forms this sector, so that's what we'll call x. But if we're talking about a central angle, we know that the whole is going to be 360, because in an entire circle, there's 360 degrees. From there, on the right side, we're going to compare areas. The part of the circle that we know the area of is 12 pi, and we need to compare that to the whole circle's area, which we'll actually need to calculate. The formula for the area of a circle is pi r squared. We know the length of OA, which is the radius, is 6 inches. So it's pi times 6 squared, which gives us 36 pi as the entire area. Now there's a couple ways you could go from here. One is to say that the right side simplifies to 1 over 3. And so from there, x must be 1/3 of 360, which is 120 degrees. If you're not so comfortable with that, though, you could just go the long way and actually do your cross multiplying. You'll see that it works out fine. When you cross multiply, you'll get 12 pi times 360 is equal to x times 36 pi. 12 pi times 360 gives us 4,320 pi. And then on the right side, we're going to divide by 36 pi to get x by itself. And if we divide by 36 pi, the two pi's cancel each other out, which is nice. And we're going to have x just equal to 4,320 divided by 36, which gives us the same 120 degrees. So both of those are fine. The first one's probably a little bit easier, but if you're not comfortable with that type of reasoning, it's always just pretty straightforward to do your cross multiplying and solve.